resistance and has sought public memory of emergency era, where his aim is to spread awareness via testimonies, where he says that the emergency diaries chronicles his journey during the emergency years, and he says that it brought back many memories from that time, where he called upon those who remember the dark days of emergency, or those who families have suffered during that time, to share their experiences on social media. And the Prime Minister says that it will create awareness among the youth of that shameful time from 1975 to 1977 with the hashtag that has been used as Samvidhan Hatya Divas. Pragya, the Prime Minister himself now taking up as far as the platform to share emergency diaries recalling the dark days of 1975.
Absolutely, and the book that Prime Minister is speaking about is also having anecdotes from the people and leaders who had worked very closely with Prime Minister Narendra Modi, during the emergency time. And the book that has been taken out by Bluecraft Digital Foundation, in fact, it says that this is also, the title of the book is The Emergency Diaries and Years That Forged a Leader. It speaks about the formative years of Prime Minister Narendra Modi as a leader who fought emergency, and obviously anecdotes from the people who have worked very closely with him, and not just Prime Minister Narendra Modi, but there are many stalwart leaders who had worked very closely to fight against emergency. And the forward by Mr. S.D. Devegowda is one such example that has also been mentioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The forward also gained significance because S.D. Devegowda has been a former Prime Minister as well. It also shows how the current establishment and all the stalwart leaders who stood for the ideology today they are also the remembrance of period that they had fought, that there was an onslaught on emergency, and this is exactly, they have come out of that, and now people have accepted them as leaders as well. So the book is also a tribute to the resolve, to those who refused to be silenced and also fought against the emergency of that time.
So emergency diaries is something that the Prime Minister seems to be speaking of, where he remembers stories of resistance and seeks public memory of the emergency era. The aim here, as the Prime Minister says, is to spread awareness via testimonies of the darkest chapter in the history of independent India. With that, we head into a short break. You're watching Times Now.
Welcome, Dada.